welcome to Science Lab. The science are happening because Jesus is coming. Every day we are looking at some of the great science that are happening around us.
In this episode, we are going to see some of the disastrous events that are taking place around the world.
Wildfires continue to rage across Australia through January 2020, leaving 70% of the country covered in the smoky haze. New South Wales and Victoria were the most affected states, with more than 2,000 houses destroyed and thousands displaced.
The rain has since brought some respite, but there are still more than 50 active fires. And if that was not enough, flash floods, giant hail, and dust storms hit the country, adding to the destruction caused by the ongoing fires.
Seismic and volcanic activity reached an interesting peak this month. A devastating 6.8 magnitude earthquake in eastern Turkey. At least 31 people were killed and more than 1,600 injured.
Puerto Rico was hit by two powerful shallow earthquakes of ranging 5.8 and 6.4 magnitude that left one person dead. A path of destroyed buildings and island-wide power cuts. The triggered seismic swarm hasn't stopped yet.
Jakarta was hit by severe flood on the first day of 2020. Torrential rain had pounded the Indonesian capital starting New Year's Eve. By January 4th, at least 53 people were reportedly killed and 170,000 were displaced. The flooding was the worst seen in Jakarta since 2013. On January 2nd, 2020, first snowfall fell in 40 years in Nagaland, India. On January 2nd, 2020, ice builds along the rushing Missouri River in North Dakota, USA. And at the same time, heavy snowfall shut down highways in Greece at the beginning of this year. Also, a spectacular lightning was captured over Malta. On January 4th, 2020, the Israeli city of Tel Aviv was severely flooded after record rainfall. 71 millimeters of rain fell in Tel Aviv over the course of 2-hour period. One person was killed in a parking garage after becoming trapped in a flooded elevator. On January 4th, 2020, intense snow blizzard strikes the western half of Iceland.
On January 5, 2020, several towns and cities in Cordoba, Argentina were battered by a sudden and violent dust storm, which ripped roofs from houses, felled trees, and blocked out the sun.
On On January the 3rd, 2020, the Portuguese man-o-war, a marine animal that resembles a jellyfish, continued to wash ashore in unprecedented numbers along the beaches on the Trinidad East and North Coast. These organisms, classified by the Institute of Marine Affairs as a dangerous marine creature, are known as Siphonophore.
On January 7, 2020, 5.8 and 6.4 magnitude earthquake hit Puerto Rico, leaving widespread destruction, damaging homes and toppling buildings. It is the worst earthquake in more than a century in this region. On January 7, 2020, normal life was thrown out of gear in Himachal Pradesh, India, as 493 roads were closed following widespread rains and snow. On January 6, 2020, storms, winds and snow thrashed Greece Mount Parnassus and the surrounding area and dumped 16 inches of snow. Huge blizzards leaving parts of Newfoundland, Canada, buried under 50 centimeters of snow on January 7, 2020. On January 7, 2020, storms, strong winds and heavy rains have battered Turkey, disrupting daily life everywhere from Istanbul to Mersin, where 2 people were killed in the floods.
We have seen many disastrous things happening around us, but there is more. Don't go anywhere, we'll meet you after a short break. Welcome back to Science Lab. The science are happening because Jesus is coming. On January 7, 2020, extremely deep snow fell after a snowstorm in Vozhnenovsky, Russia.
On January 24, 2020, freak hailstorms and flash floods strike Malaga, Spain. On January 22, 2020, a wave of sea foam brought ashore by Storm Gloria swept through the town of Tossa de Mar in Spain's Catalonia region. On January 24, 2020, widespread floodings in Mozambique leaves at least 28 dead and more than 58,000 affected. On January 25, 2020, Saudi Arabia's northern region experienced a bitter cold wave accompanied by strong winds. On January 27, 2020, authorities in the Kazakhstan capital have declared a state of emergency after a windstorm pummeled the city with strong winds and heavy snowfall. On January 26, 2020, Europe's largest volcano, Mount Etna, spewed lava again, and a number of explosions signaled an increase in volcanic activity. On January 27, 2020, strong wind and storm dumped heavy snow, 18 inches within 24 hours, along highways in Alaska, USA. On January 28, 2020, a strong shallow 7.7 magnitude earthquake hits off Jamaica's coast. On January 27, 2020, some 8,000 migratory birds mysteriously found dead at a wildlife sanctuary in northern Iran. On January 29, 2020, 6 dead, 3 missing after floods in North Sumatra, Indonesia, following a foot of rainfall in 24 hours. Around 700 families have been affected and 22 people injured. On January 28, 2020, a giant sinkhole threatens to swallow 2 mobile homes in Tallahassee, Florida, USA. On January 29, 2020, a fresh spell of snow in Himachal Pradesh threw life out of gear with 300 roads, including 3 national highways, closed for traffic due to slippery roads. On January 28, 2020, heavy rains which hit several parts across Rwanda have killed at least 3 people before destroying farms and sweeping away 5 homes. On January 29, 2020, a water spout filmed off Delray Beach, Florida, USA. January 28, 2020, up to 43 inches of snow falls on the Alps in 72 hours. On January 31st, 2020, heavy snowfall dumps 19 feet of snow in Michigan, USA. On January 31st, 2020, locust swarms of biblical proportions are threatening crops across a wide swath of Africa and Southwest Asia, spurring alarms among top international officials.
Before his death, burial, and resurrection, the Lord Jesus Christ was sitting on the Mount of Olives, and his disciples came to him privately and asked, "Tell us, when will these things be, and what will be the sign of your coming and of the end of the age?" For that the Lord Jesus Christ lists out things that will take place before his coming.
And Jesus answered and said to them, "And you will hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that you are not troubled, for all these things must come to pass. But the end is not yet. For nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there will be famines, pestilence, and earthquakes in various places. All these are beginning of sorrows."
What is mentioned in the Bible that are going to take place in the end times are taking place in our lifetime. All these changes in the nature show us that indeed we are living in the last days. Lord Jesus Christ is coming back again very soon. Thank you for watching this episode. Don't forget to tune in to Science Lab next time.
Send us photos, videos, news, and YouTube links which are worth sharing, and also send us your feedbacks to our email address sciencelab@angeltv.org. Suppose if you have missed any of these episodes, don't worry. You can watch it again and again in our Science Lab YouTube page. But don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.
Ask your friends and relatives to watch the Science Lab so that they will know that we are living in the last days. Remember, signs are happening because Lord Jesus is coming. Maranatha.